January 4th, 2021, lesson continued. So now we're going to take a look at something called unit price. Unit price. Same thing as a unit rate, it's just called unit price, meaning we're dealing with money for this time. So whenever we're dealing with unit price is the ratio comparing the price per 1 unit. So when we're dealing with this, we're always going to put the money on top. Put the money on top. Put the money on top. All right, so what we're going to do is take a look here at our scenario. It says write a ratio for the associated unit price. So remember, money on top. So $10 for 5 pounds. So we have $10 for 5 pounds. So like at the grocery store, $10 for 5 pounds of bananas or whatever, 5 pounds of potatoes, something like that. Now, we have our ratio. What we're going to do, we want to get to this denominator. We want this denominator to be 1, but it's not 1. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to put this $10 on the top, and we're going to put that 5 on the bottom. So now we're taking a look here. 10 to 5. So we are always going to just divide by that denominator. So watch this. If I divide by 5 for both top and bottom, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So then we get our 1 there. 10 divided by 5 is going to be 2. So look, we have that 1 in our denominator. Woohoo! So now that we have 1 in our denominator, any number, remember, any number divided by 1 is just going to be itself. So our answer here is literally going to be 2. So our unit price is 2. So it's going to be $2 for 1 pound. So $2 for 1 pound. So $2 for 1 pound, and that is it. So our unit price is $2. So for 1 pound, it's going to be $2. And that is it for our lesson continued. Great job.